Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something special for all of you who love to pamper themselves. We are diving into the luxurious Vedic line hand and foot spa kit Sachet. This kit promises a complete spa experience at home with 7 easy steps. Let's get started. This hand and foot spa kit from Vedic line is a complete manicure and pedicure system designed to give you ultimate satisfaction and relaxation. It's perfect for healing and repairing dry and cracked heels, giving your hands and feet a spa-like treatment right at home. So let's take a closer look at what's inside this amazing kit. As we open the box, we find everything we need for a full spa experience. Here are the 7 steps included in the kit: spa cleanser, spa sugar scrub, spa cuticle nail cream, spa crystallizer, jelly soap, spa decrystallizer, spa cream, and spa gel pack. Let's start with the first step. Step 1: Spa Cleanser. This cleanser helps to remove any dirt and impurities from your hands and feet. Simply apply a small amount and massage it gently onto your skin. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Step 2: Spa Sugar Scrub. This scrub exfoliates your skin, removing dead skin cells and leaving it smooth and refreshed. Apply the scrub and massage in circular motions for a few minutes before rinsing off. Step 3: Spa Cuticle Nail Cream. This cream softens and nourishes your cuticles, making it easier to push them back. Apply a small amount to each nail and gently massage. Step 4: Spa Crystallizer Jelly Soak. This unique jelly soak hydrates and soothes your skin. Dissolve the jelly crystals in warm water and soak your hands and feet for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Step 5: Spa Decrystallizer. After the jelly soak, use the decrystallizer to dissolve the jelly back into water. This step ensures that all the beneficial ingredients are absorbed by your skin. Step 6: Spa Cream. This rich cream deeply moisturizes your skin, leaving it soft and supple. Apply generously to your hands and feet and massage until fully absorbed. Step 7: Spa Gel Pack. The final step is the gel pack, which locks in moisture and provides a cooling effect. Apply the gel pack and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. And that's it. After following these 7 steps, my hands feel incredibly soft, smooth, and rejuvenated. This spa kit is truly a game changer for at-home pampering. You can get this amazing Vedic line hand and foot spa kit sachet for just Rs 225 with a rating of 4.6 stars. It is clear that many people love it. If you have already tried it, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to to my channel for more amazing product reviews. Until next time, take care and keep pampering yourself.